what day it is?
It's this IPSY box.
IPSY box. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. This is Tita. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. Today is IPSY day. You got some lipstick there?
Yeah.
Who are you? Fancy Nancy?
Yeah.
Fancy Nancy girl. Doesn't look like we have a paper. We only have this card. So IPSY has really been, yeah, nothing's on this card. IPSY has really been dropping the ball. BoxyCharm too, but at least last month for the Boxy Looks, I did get my stuff. So the first thing we got is Purely's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm excited for this one. This is a gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, soothes. So it's this. Oh, wait. Oh, who are you? Why don't you tell everybody who you are while I look at this?
I like them.
You what? No, you're Fancy Nancy. You want to stand up and show them your dress?
Yeah.
Oh, no, this is soap.
It's a soap.
It smells nice, actually. It smells really nice.
It hurts.
Oh, it's a bag. You gonna show them the bag?
Yeah.
We're kind of all over the place today. Nice bag, girl. This smells nice, and it's a big bottle, so that's cool, and I'm gonna use that. This I'm excited about because I love Dr. Brandt. This is a luminizer primer, pores no more. Gives natural looking, backlight glow, revives dull complexions, helps refine the look of pores. I don't know how much this is, but I'm going to assume this is a lot because I got a face soap from them. It was a scrub. I love it. And it's like 90 bucks.
Mama.
That is a nice bag, girl. Looks like there's girls.
Yeah.
So, it doesn't really, it kind of has a smell, but I don't know. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm excited about this. Also, I have some big news, okay? We are going to be doing a giveaway next month on our BoxyCharm video, so check that out. And some of the stuff that we have in this box will be going in the giveaway, so I'm not going to be swatching it, but we got a brown pencil. It's a felt liner pencil. Sorry if you can hear the girls. They are supposed to be taking their nap in their room. This will be going into a giveaway. I've got a few things. I'm starting a giveaway box, but stay tuned for next month's BoxyCharm. We got a Huda Beauty Blender. I got a lot of beauty blenders, so I'm gonna actually throw this into the giveaway, so I'm not gonna open it up. And then we have the Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park. I will gently open this up and show y'all, but this will be going in a giveaway also. So, I think somebody else, I actually picked this because I really like Laura Geller, but I think someone else will probably...
We're on the door.
I know they're not supposed to bang on the door. They're supposed to be sleeping.
Yeah.
But I think somebody else will get a lot of use out of this. So, that's the palette. We're going to put this back in the box and back into the plastic. I just wanted to show y'all that. Oh, no. We're not gonna mess with this one because we're gonna give this to somebody. Yeah. I just feel like, honestly, we have so much makeup and there's so much stuff that, like, Tita doesn't use. Excuse us. And we don't need this much stuff. And I feel like some of the stuff other people would get a lot more, show them, girl, a lot more use out of. So I'm going to try to not swatch things I know we're not going to use anymore. So these three things will be going into a giveaway.
Smell it.
Thank you. I do plan on doing some different giveaways. So let me talk about the giveaways since that's the end of the box. Like, that's literally it. Just took me a couple minutes. So next month's giveaway, I got the Tardius Pro palette in my Box Deluxe, but it was broken, so they're actually sending me another one. So the new one that they send me that is not broken, hopefully that will go into the giveaway. And then, no ma'am, no ma'am. I don't know if I'm gonna hold these items for the next giveaway or if I'm gonna throw some of these into that giveaway, but just a heads up, there's giveaways coming and I'm trying to get my giveaway life together for everybody to enjoy the things that we probably won't use, which if I continue to get liners, those will definitely go in there, brushes, those type of things. Leave me comments, let me know if there are specific things that you like. That I can.
I want to get this.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe too. That you would like to see in a giveaway. This is my first giveaway that I'm actually like just doing myself, and definitely my first giveaway on YouTube, so I'm pretty excited about it. I feel like this video was really short, but since I'm not swatching stuff or really opening stuff, oh, your crown?
Yeah.
That's a nice crown. It's just a quick video.
Nasty crown.
Yeah, it is. I more so just wanted to show you really quickly the stuff that we got and then let you know about my new plan to do these giveaways. I'm really excited about next month's, but in the next month's BoxyCharm, I will talk about like the details for that giveaway, and I might announce it also in, oh, you got some lipstick. I might also announce it in next month's IPSY, just to remind everybody in case you missed it. It's a lipstick. Also, we've made it to 1,000 subscribers and everything, and I just want to say thank you for that, and I appreciate it. Do you appreciate it?
Yeah.
She appreciates it. We all appreciate it. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!